This video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the fake human verification alerts that are associated with the website Stream-trust.xyz. Stream-trust.xyz is a malicious site that displays fake human verification alerts. It tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you verify that you are a human and not a robot. The reality is that clicking on allow is dangerous. This will immediately hijack your browser with multiple advertisements that will keep attacking and disturbing your screen randomly. If the allow button was clicked, be sure to fix your browser immediately by accessing the menu Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications and research the sites that are allowed to send notifications. Once you find this Stream-trust.xyz, you need to remove this junk site from the list and remove other junk sites too. Finally, I would recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.